Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I am going to make this balloon arch kit sent to me by Key Budding. They are a vendor on Amazon and they reached out to me and asked me to do a video on their kit. I would definitely be sure to link this kit below and how you can purchase it if you want to try it on your own. Okay, so we're going to get started by letting you see what's in the box. Okay, here we go. Okay, so you could use this that comes in the kit, but the only problem with these is that it's very time consuming because you have to blow the balloons up individually in order to use this. So I'm gonna use my balloon pump. I will link and list this below. And then I'm just gonna make pairs. But I'm gonna put two different colors together because I just been kind of debating, should I make the spiral one or should I just cluster the colors? Because the problem is, it's very difficult to create a cluster of 8, because it's 8 different colors here, and then get it to stay flat. So I'm gonna still, and that's what you need to do for the spiral one. So I want to spiral it, but I'm just afraid that I'll run out of balloons because it's very difficult to make those layers and use all of these colors, like 8 different colors in one layer. I've done it with 4. I think it's possible with 5. So we're just gonna see. I'm gonna go ahead and just pair different colors together. I'm gonna try to keep the same pairs together. And then I'm using this balloon sizer. I will link and list this below as well. And I'm gonna just blow them up to, I'm thinking like 8-inch. Like I'm gonna make them about 8-inch, okay? So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to just pair my balloons and then I will start to make clusters of 4. Press them down to give them that rounder shape. Okay, so I'm just showing you the other colors that I'm gonna be putting together. So I'm putting different colors together because I wanna try to make that spiral. I believe it's gonna be difficult to make the spiral with all 8 colors. I'm thinking I might be able to do it with 6 of them, so we'll see. I'm sliding it through my balloon sizer, so let me see if I can show you what I'm doing. Just making sure it can, okay. I might have let too much out of that one. Okay, and this is my last pair that I'm gonna put together, and then I'm gonna keep it the same. So whatever 2 colors I pair together, I'm gonna keep those the same. And then, so that's what I'm gonna keep doing. I'm gonna keep blowing them up, putting them into these pairs with these particular colors. Once you connect it, you're gonna have this very long strip. I'm just trying to show you how long it is. Okay. So I went ahead and put some draping up to coordinate with the balloon colors. The only color I was unable to represent is the lime green. That's why you see this colorful backdrop behind me. So now I'm about to go ahead and put the arch together, and I'm gonna try to adjust the camera so you can see that. Okay, so the easiest thing to do is to take take two duplets and make them into a quad. Because if you try to put because you need them to lay flat like this. So if you try to put more duplets together, it's gonna be difficult to keep them flat like this. So I'm gonna just make sure, make sure all of my quads match, and then at a certain point I'm gonna switch to some other colors. So, but my beginning quads will be these 4 colors. So again, I'm taking the same colors, turning it into a quad, then sliding it in. I'm gonna slide it here. And then I'm gonna crisscross to lock it in, like that. I might need to go down a way. Let me try that again. Yeah, I'm gonna try to press it down more. Crisscross, like that. And make it nice and tight. So notice how I have the green touching the green, the yellow touching the yellow, and you don't see the pink touching the pink and the blue touching the blue. And I'm gonna continue to do that up until a certain point, and then I'm gonna switch colors. So let me do another one. I am paying attention to when I slide them in, where I'm placing them, because I want the colors to line up, which they're not lining up. So I'm gonna do another turn. Let's do. So I'm definitely paying attention to the placement, and then I'm trying to crisscross them so that it locks. I might utilize the ribbon too if I want it to be tighter. Okay, so now I'm about to switch the color. I have about 8 quads here, so I'm gonna make a switch. So I'll make up another quad with a different set of color. And maybe something that a little bit like connected with these. Okay, so now I'm taking these colors and I'm adding them on. And I'm still finishing that spiral pattern. So I kind of like let the green stay with the green. Then I did the yellow with the orange. Then the pink is supposed to connect with the purple. Like, I'm trying to do colors that complement each other, but it's gonna be up to you. I'm not sure. It does say that you need 150 balloons to fill this in. They gave me 160, and that's why I'm switching the colors up. Okay. So I look at the pattern and I just try to make sure 2 of them are not together, so that when I put it onto the arch, I want to make sure that I can lock it in by twisting it around. So let's see. So you really can't see, but I'm gonna twist this orange and this purple to lock them around the arch. And then I'm gonna have to get a chair to get the center. Once I get directly in the middle, I'm gonna switch the color pattern again, and that way I have 4 sections of different colors. Okay, so because my ceilings are probably is closer to 8 feet tall, this, I think the lowest you can have it, well, you can have it, they kind of give you some measurements you can go by, but I was trying to have it 7 feet tall, but it's kind of getting a little bit difficult to put the balloons up at the top. But since I have 2 groups of different colors, I'm about to get ready to switch to another color pattern to make my 3rd group. And that's what I'm doing now. So now I realized that I've used all the colors, so I'm switching back to these 4 colors, and then I'll go like 3.5 sections, and then I'll switch back to the color that I just used here. So it's just, I'm just kind of alternating with the color. So here is the finished product. I absolutely love this balloon arch kit. My only suggestion would be when you insert the arch into the PVC pipes, you might want to tape it down because it was kind of lifting up on this side. And also make sure you fill those water bags up. You do have to use the water bags in order to get it to stay put. Also, don't forget that this comes with stakes. So like if you're using it outside, you could definitely use this rope here and these stakes here to stake it into the grass. I only lost like 1 balloon. So the quality of the balloons seemed to be great. I'm not testing it outside, and it's kind of good that you underinflate them to like I underinflated them to the 8-inch in order to, like, once you get it outside, that'll give it room to expand it in the heat. So other than that, thank you Key Budding for allowing me to have this kit and to work on this kit. I absolutely love it. Check the description below if you would like to purchase this kit yourself, and I'm gonna link and list all the material below, including the drapes and what else? I think that's it. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I thank you so much for joining me today. Until I see you next time.